for a ride in my Fox body, and I I live next to a little like municipal airport, and I thought this was pretty cool. There's an airplane for sale, and I want to take a look at it. Let's go check it out. Looks like they want $14,000 for it. I don't know much about planes, but I mean, this thing is literally like rusting, and oh man, I don't know if I would take this in the air. I mean, it's pretty cool though. I like looking at this stuff. Curious what year it is. It looks like 80s, or I don't know, maybe even older. But man, for $14,000, you'd have to do a lot of work to it. And over here, they have some, I think these are called Hueys. Helicopters. There's just some cool stuff over here. I've never really, I don't know much about aviation. It always interested me, but just looking at this stuff's pretty cool. Here's another one, looks a little bit older. Obviously these are like decommissioned, I'm guessing. I'm sure there's no rotors or no engine or anything, they're just like shells. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I live like 3 minutes from here, and there's like stunt pilots are always flying around my house, like the Red Bull stunt pilot guys. And it's like an air show every day over my house. I mean, yeah, I would never consider buying anything like that, but you know, it's just fun to look at. All right, I'm back in the car. That was pretty cool. When I was a kid, I used to like going to the air shows and stuff like that. Just, I don't know, I never really was interested in flying planes, but I always liked watching other people because I always thought it was so crazy what they would do in the air. Yeah, I just want to show you guys that. I don't know if there's any like pilots out there that actually own planes. I mean, I don't know, that would be, I think you have to pay like rent, even if you bought that plane, then you got to pay rent to keep it there. And wow, that plane would have to be completely redone. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. See if there's any pilots out there, let me know, or anybody who knows anything about airplanes, let me know if that's like airworthy. I don't know. Anyway, I thought that was cool. It's a short video just to show you guys that. But yeah, man, I'll check you guys later. Like, share, and subscribe. See ya.